This one I recorded the last album, one of my favorite things I've done in a while. I didn't write this, but I wished I had. Go ahead. We got nominated for Grammy for this thing. I'll be the bad guy, I'll take the black eye. When I walk out, you can slam the door. Yeah, I'll be the SOB, that's what you need from me, so you don't have to love me anymore. You and I are friends talk, ain't all my fault. Tell them I'm rotten to the core. Yeah, I'll let it all slide, get them all